Hello guys, how you doing? Well, I'm good. I'm too tired because I was very busy in the hotel. You know what happened? There was lot of checkout, lot of order. I was feeling like a shit. So now I'm just kicking back and making this video. I wanna tell you about. Oh, my topic is how to improve your English. There are many methods. So today I gonna tell you how to improve your English by watching movie. First of all, watch movie only in English. Second method is that do not use subtitle. Third method is use subtitle. Aren't you a bit confused? I am saying do not use subtitle. Now I am saying use subtitle. So first movie is that. See, okay, I don't wanna bore you. You are getting bored, isn't it? So I'll tell you what to do. First of all, watch movie that should be in English, no dubbed. Watch the movie for 5 to 10 minutes. Sorry, don't worry, I did this mistake because when I was making this video I was thinking about you. I was daydreaming. I'm sorry. See, first of all, what you should do, watch a movie without subtitle. Watch full movie. I know you'll not be able to catch many words, but the first motivation of the movie is to enjoy. So only go for that movie which you like. There, like for example, if you go for a reading, you go to the library and ask what kind of book should I read. The librarian is gonna tell you, sir, there's lot of selection. What you are interested in? So you are interested in science and fiction. You like the comedy. You like criminal. So in the same way, do not only go for that movie which you are interested in. One day I went to the shop, movie shop. I purchased a DVD. That was some documentary movie. You know, after some after 1 hour, I puked. I don't know what happened. So in the same way, do not go for movie. Do not watch movie because you have to improve your English. Watch movie to enjoy. I like science fiction. I like fantasy. I like the comedy movie. Mostly I prefer fantasy, like magical fantasy, like Harry Potter. I watch all the Harry Potter, a magical movie, in which people are flying with the boom. I like science fiction because that is suspense. I like ghost movie and I like comedy movie. So now I gonna watch. I'll chill after some time after making this movie. I gonna chill and I gonna watch Paul movie. I like this Paul movie because it is science fiction come comedy, two movie at the same time. So up see, I know you not gonna catch the words, but still English is going to your brain. Short term memory, it's going to your short term memory. After watching, after laughing, after enjoying, next day watch movie for 30 minutes. It's up to you. If you are busy, you can watch movie for 10 minutes also. I prefer 10 minutes because I'm very busy guy. See, I'm very busy guy. Now I have to go for prayer. I have to do exercise. So I've got only 30 minutes. In that 30 minutes, I wanna use it. See, what is my method? I watch the movie for 10 minutes. Then again I watch for 10 minutes. If I'm not able to catch, then again I watch. But I am a good listener. I'm not that bad listener. So I watch half an hour. Next day I watch half an hour. Same, repeat. Next day, then again I watch half an hour. The next one. So now how to do? After watching a movie next day, watch the movie with subtitle for 10 minutes. But remember one important thing: do not concentrate on the subtitle. That's not good because when American was there in India, he wanted to learn Hindi because if you learn Hindi, you can understand Punjabi, Gujarati, Marathi, Arabic, Urdu, Bengali, Punjab, many languages of the country because it is interrelated. So he bought some Hindi movie. He learned some basic Hindi reading and writing, and his Hindi was awful. He was written Hindi. He was speaking funny Hindi. That was be right. So I gave him the advice, but you know his life was he was forcing it. So he used to say, "I'll do no gain without pain." One day I told him, "But where is the pain?" I went. I saw how how he was doing. He was instead of watching the movie, he was watching the subtitle. He didn't know what characters are doing. Just he was reading. So I told him, "Sir, don't read. Just watch movie for 1 or 2 days." He watched that movie because his level of Hindi was very poor. He watched that movie for 3 days. Then again he watched for 10 minutes with subtitle. He didn't read the subtitle. He only read if he was not able to understand. In the same way, now he can speak good Hindi. In the same way, you read, don't read, watch for 10 minutes. If in 10 minutes, if you are not able to clearly understand, then bring it back and read. Then now, because if your level is like if you are poor listener, again go. You try to catch what the speaker is saying. After 10 15 times, it means up till half an hour you will be able to catch what they are saying. But you know why I'm telling you not to read subtitle? Because if you read subtitle or you watch each and every word, your brain is gonna go like this. Brain, this, this, in the step by step. So the thing is that, for let's say for instance, if a native English is watching news channel, he do not understand 100%. He only understand 85%, 95%. Rest he understand by the ideas. They create ideas. For example, one of my kid was there. He was okay. What is the idea? I gonna tell you later. I don't wanna. I don't want you to be. I don't want you to get bored. So after 10 minutes, you will able to hear each and every word, each and every expression, and note down the expression because each and every expression is important. You try to imagine what is the situation and try to watch each and like only write that word which you feel, yeah, it's very good, it's very important, I gonna use it in my spoken English, and revise that. So this is like, and you revise and try to speak like, if you should talk to yourself, because a research was done in America and they contacted the guy, those who is talking, we call it thinking. If you are thinking, like we think in mind, but a person who is thinking in his mind but speaking from his mouth, they are more successful guy. They can manage properly, like me. ah Sorry, my voice is not good because I am very exhausted. And if you want to know how to talk to yourself, you can go to englishharmony.com. He deal with your fluency issue. That that is very good. That is very good site. That is www.englishharmony.com. Okay guys, nice talking to you.